So very good morning dear smarts. This is second chapter in mathematics. Chapter 2, linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable. Already you know the numerical addition, subtraction, multiplication, division and LCM. Here the variable some x or y, a, b or any other some variable is there in between those numerical values. So linear equations in one variable. So linear equations are most important in everybody's education period. It's most important in about linear equations in competitive examinations also. There are so many objective questions are asked on this. In 8th class children, linear equations in one variable. Second, later in higher classes, 2 variables, 3 variables also you will be done in future. So children, here mainly exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. It's very easy and interesting chapter. Very easy and interesting chapter. In childhood days or now onwards, you are playing games. Playing games. In games particularly, some games, for example, దాగుడు మూతలు, వీరి వీరి గుమ్మడి పండు, ఇలాంటి గేమ్స్ ఆడుతుంటారు. అంటే దాక్కున్న వాళ్ళని ఎక్కడ దాక్కున్నారో కనిపెట్టడం, లేకపోతే అవుట్ చేయడం. సో ఇలాంటివి ఇక్కడ కూడా ఏదైతే లీనియర్ ఈక్వేషన్స్ ఇన్ వన్ వేరియబుల్, ఆ ఈక్వేషన్లో ఉన్నటువంటి ఆ వన్ వేరియబుల్ వాల్యూని కనిపెట్టాలి. ఇక్కడ మీరు ఆ వాల్యూ ఎంత, హౌ మచ్ ఇట్ ఈస్ ద వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ ద వేరియబుల్, దట్ ఈస్ ద ప్రాబ్లం హియర్. దట్ ఈస్ సమ్. ఏదైతే వాల్యూ ఉందో ఆ వాల్యూని కనిపెట్టడం. ఇట్స్ వెరీ ఇంట్రెస్టింగ్. ప్లే గేమ్స్ విత్ దీస్ linear equations. The first sum, solve the following simple equations. Solve following simple equations. Equations. Equation means in every equation balance the is equal to, for example, first one 6m equal to 12. 6m equal to 12. It is the equation. Equation is balance. You know about the balance. In balance, one side the weight kgs or 2 kgs, in other side the articles or any vegetables or any what we are buying. The balance is like that. Equation means equal, balance. This is the balance. 6m equal to 12. 6m equal to 12. So we find the value of m. Solve means here we find the value of m. 6m equal to 12. Find the value of m. So in this way you have to know some simple principles and system and also procedure. You must know 6m equal to 12. What is m here? M here means implies m equal to 12 by 6. Here 6. 6m means here into or dot 6 multiplies m. This is the LHS. This is the RHS. LHS, RHS is most important here. No LHS. What is LHS? Left hand side. RHS, right hand side. Right hand side, left hand side. When 6 is in LHS, it multiplies m. If it is moved to RHS, it divides. 6 divides RHS. If in LHS 6 divides, in RHS it multiplies. It's most important. So children, m equal to 12 by 6. How many times? 2 6 are 12. M equal to 2. M equal to 2. You can check also. Checking. LHS. What is LHS? 6m. 6 into m. 2. 2 12 are 2 6 are 12. This equal to what? RHS. RHS. This equal to RHS. This is check. Copy down children. Third one. Minus 5y equal to 30. Minus 5y equal to 30. Minus 5y implies 5y equal to minus 30. Here minus transpose to RHS minus 30. Y equal to minus 30 by 5. 6 times minus 6. Y equal to minus 6. Y equal to minus 6. This is the answer. Do you understand? Thirty-four x equal to minus 51. 34 x equal to minus 51. 34 x equal to minus 51. Solve x. Find the value of x. Implies x equal to minus 51 by 34, because 34 here multiplies x. Here RHS it divides. So cancellation. If any common table, common number goes in between two, cancellation. 3 70s 51. 2 70s 34. X equal to minus 3 by 2. This equal to minus 3 by 2. X equal to minus 3 by 2. It's very simple. Of course, if you want to check. If you want to check, take LHS. 34x. 34 into what is x? Minus 3 by 2. Substitute the value of x. Minus 51. This is equal to RHS. Like, you can check also. Okay, children? Next, if you have any doubts, post to my WhatsApp number. I will clarify your doubts. Seventh one. If you have textbook, what I am telling the problems, those are in 37th page. 37th page. 2x by 3 equal to 18. 2x by 3 equal to 18. 2x by 3 implies 2x equal to 18. Here 3 divides 2x in LHS. If it goes RHS, transpose to RHS, 18 into 3 implies x equal to 18 into 3 by 2. Here 2 multiply x. Or in RHS it divides. LHS multiply, RHS divides. 9 2s, 9 3s are 27. X equal to 27. That's it. 9. 3p minus 7 equal to 0. 3p minus 7 equal to 0. This is 9th. 3p equal to plus 7 implies p equal to 7 by 3. 7 by 3. Because if we transpose 3p minus 7 equal to 0, if we transpose 7 to RHS, it changes plus 7. 3 multiply here goes to RHS divided by p equal to 7 by 3. And also I tell you again 14. 14 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. 8x plus 5 by 2 equal to 13. 8x plus 5 by 2. Watch carefully. 8x equal to 13 minus 5 by 2. If we transpose 5 by 2 RHS, it is minus 5 by 2. The symbol changes. Next, take LCM. 2 is the LCM. 2 13s are 26 minus 5. 26 minus 5? 21 by 2. 8x equal to 21 by 2. Implies x equal to 21 by 2 into, again 8 here multiplies. Here divide by 8. Is there any common? No common. 21 by 16. X equal to 21 by 2. Check. If you want to check, once check. LHS 8x plus 5 by 2. Substitute the value of x. 8 into 21 by 16 plus 5 by 2. 8 2 times. 2 LCM. 21 plus 5. 21 plus 5. How much? 20. 1 plus 5, 26 by 2. 2, 13 times 30. This is equal to RHS. Isn't it? 13 RHS. We start LHS. So gradually we get RHS. So this is the right answer. So copy down children. I give you as your home task sometime. Do this, solve this. 14p equal to minus 42 4 minus 2x equal to minus 12 n by 7 equal to minus 3 3x plus 1 equal to 16 13 minus 6 n equal to minus 7. Solve these, okay children, and also practice what I said and also solve your own. Okay children, bye.